guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Maisha, owner of Style House Events, where bold style meets plain perfection. I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree Centerpiece Challenge. I'm super excited because I'm going to be showing you a few different ways that you can use this 3-tier Dollar Tree centerpiece. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you do, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay guys, so all these supplies that I got for this project were from Dollar Tree. Most of the things I had already, like the candlesticks. I did get the silk flowers. I ordered those on Amazon. I will put the links to all the supplies in the description box below. But yeah, at the Dollar Tree, the things that I did pick up were the plates. They didn't have any of those clear cake pans. Everything was really ran through at the dollar store that I went to. So I got some black plates and a large and a small plate and like a marble looking plate. And I thought that would be cute for my little setup. I can't wait to show you guys how it's going to come out. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is take your little candlestick holders and spray paint them black. If you decide that you want to spray paint them, you don't have to. I had already spray painted mine previously gold for a different project, and I just repainted them black. And then the next step that you're going to want to do is hot glue your first candlestick to the bottom of your plate. This is going to be your first tier, so you want to make sure that this is super sturdy. So I'm also using the E6000, and I'm just going to press that down super firmly. And I use hot glue a little bit more on the edges just to kind of reinforce it. And I'm going to put something heavy on top just to make sure that dries. Alright, now we're going to get ready to do the second tier. Now you can decide if you want to put your candlestick base on the wide end or the small end. I'm going to go with the small end just because I want to have more room to put things on my second tier. And I am starting with the E6000 this time just because it doesn't dry as quickly as the hot glue. And then that way, if you want to move it around a little bit, you need to make some adjustments, you can. So I'm using the E6000 first, then the hot glue. Alright, and now we're getting ready to do our last tier. I did forget to take the glue, the stickers off the bottom of my plate. So you can take them off, you don't have to. I just forgot to. Alright, I felt like the ceramic plates honestly were a little crooked. So I try to get it as centered as possible, but I still like the way it came out. So this is our last tier, and it's looking good. It's super cute. Okay guys, so for the first way I used my 3-tier Dollar Tree centerpiece, I did actually use it as a tabletop centerpiece. You can use this centerpiece for any type of occasion, a wedding, a baby shower, a birthday party, even a tea party. I love the way it came out, better than I actually expected. Very simple but also super elegant. I love the combination of the black and the marble. All these flowers were silk flowers that I got from the craft store, some from the dollar store, some from AC Moore, and then some that I ordered on Amazon. The next look I thought was super cute also was to just use the tier centerpiece as a jewelry stand. I thought it was a creative way just to kind of organize your jewelry. You can put your bracelets on one tier, you can do your earrings on a different tier, and then have like your necklaces on a different tier as well. And I just love the way the kind of bling pops against the black and against the marble tier. I just think it's super cute, very elegant, and a nice addition to your bedroom. Love it. And then the last way that you can actually use your tier would be for a dessert stand. You can put crackers, cheese, fruits, some veggies, and then if you want, you can even do like a cupcake stand. So there's a bunch of different ways that you can use this tier. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY video. Let me know which look was your favorite, and please make sure to comment below so I know which DIY videos that you want me to do in the future. And don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you next time.